Hi guys, to solve the above equation, we write it in exponent form, which is x plus root x the power 1 by 2 plus x minus root x the power 1 by 2 is equals to 4. Now we square on both sides of the equation. And we can write it x plus root x the power 1 by 2 plus x minus root x the power 1 by 2 the whole square is equals to 4 square. Since a plus b the square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, we will apply this formula in the above equation. So a square is x plus root x the power 1 by 2 the whole square plus b square is x minus root x the power 1 by 2 the whole square plus 2ab, so 2 into x plus root x the power 1 by 2 into x minus root x the power 1 by 2 is equals to 4 square, which is 16. We further simplify this. So in the first term, power 1 by 2 will be cancelled out by power 2. So what is left? X plus root x plus. In second term, power 1 by 2 will be cancelled out by power 2. So what is left? X minus root x plus 2 into. This term can be written as x plus root x into x minus root x the whole power 1 by 2. Since a the power m into b the power m is equals to a into b the power m is equals to 16. Root x will be cancelled out. X plus x become 2x plus 2 into, and this term is the form of a plus b into a minus b. And since a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, we apply this formula in this term. So we get a square means x square minus b square means root x square, and the whole power 1 by 2 is equals to 60. So further we simplify this and get 2x plus 2 x square minus root x square means x. The whole power 1 by 2 is equals to 16. Now we divide by 2 on both sides of the equation and get x plus x square minus x the power 1 by 2 is equals to 8. We can write this equation as x square minus x the power 1 by 2 is equals to 8 minus x. Bring x on the right hand side of the equation. Now we square both sides of the equation. On the left hand side, power 1 by 2 will be cancelled out by power 2. What is left? X square minus x. And on the right hand side, since a minus b the whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, we will apply this formula on the right hand side of the equation. So it becomes a square means 8 square, which is 64 plus b square x square minus 2 into a into b. So it becomes x square minus x is equals to 64 plus x square minus 16x. X square will be cancelled out and we bring minus 16x on the left hand side. So minus 16x become plus 16x. And here minus x is equals to 64. 15x is equals to 64. So x will become 64 divided by 15. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Cheers!